we got a little bit of a change of scenery. I'm on my bed, okay? Usually I'm on the floor, but I'm on my bed for right now. And it is the middle of the night, so I am going to be talking a little quieter than usual. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today's video, if you haven't guessed it by now, it is 50 Ren Fair crochet ideas. Some of these are beginner friendly, okay? So I had a lot of fun making this Pinterest board. Mind you, I have never been to a Ren Fair, but my younger sibling has been to multiple. So I did have them look through my Pinterest board and just double check that I got the Ren Fair vibes right in my head, okay? I'm really just going off of pictures and videos I've seen of people going to Ren Fairs, okay? I did make this mushroom hat specifically for this video. I spent about 2 days making it. I love it, okay? It was a paid pattern. If you want the pattern, I'm gonna link it down below if you want to go learn how to make it. I got it off Etsy. I've actually had this pattern for a while, but I've been sitting on it, and I really want to start making crochet pieces themed like to the theme of the video. This one's gonna be for Ren Fair. Also a little bit of like fantasy, mushrooms, dragons, fairies, okay? So if you don't go to Ren Fairs, but you're one of the many people commenting about doing a fantasy specific crochet idea video, this is also for you, okay? So before I get started, I do want to remind you everything I say in the order that I say it will be listed down in the description box below, linked to a written pattern or a video pattern, okay? I also have a cohesive Pinterest board with everything on it, and all the pictures that I used in this video will be on that Pinterest board, and that will also be linked in the description box below, okay? So let's get into the video. We have 5 categories. We have bags, clothing, hats and hair accessories as one category, accessories, and then miscellaneous, so everything that doesn't fall into those categories. Let's get into the first category. We have bags. First bag that I have is this cute, really freaking cute sunflower bag, okay? And then we also have this like little messenger bag, which I can just see as like a little fairy collecting things in a messenger bag, you know what I mean? So we have those 2 bags, and then we have these little mushroom bags that scrunch at the top. Super cute. And we also have these dice bags that are strawberries, which I know D&D art and Ren Fair are different things, but I feel like the culture crosses, okay? So if you're gonna sell at a Ren Fair, I think dice bags are pretty cool to have as an option. So we have the strawberry dice bag, and then we have this more like velvet yarn cross bag. Why do I keep saying cross bag? I meant dice bag. We have these dice bags, which are like velvety and have little like gems on the front of them. And then you can also make this mushroom bag, which I thought was really cute, or this acorn bag, which I saw the acorn bag, and I think I actually saw this acorn bag pattern, and I was like, I should make a Ren Fair video. I know I've seen the comments, so that's what triggered this whole thing. Or you can make this pouch, like leg pouch attachment for whoever you're going to the Ren Fair as, to hold weapons or just potions or things like that. Or you can make these dragon scale dice bags, and you can also make these cute like sunflower bags, okay? Those are really cute. Or if you want to like really work for it, this one kind of looks like my hat actually a little bit, but this mushroom purse, it looks a lot like my hat. Interesting. So if you want to make the hat and the bag to go together, that'd be cute. Or you can make this other dice bag, which just looks like this like crisscross stitch thing going on. Or I thought this green bag just gave off Tinkerbell vibes, okay? Tinkerbell fairy vibes with like the greens and the little daisies. Or you could make the strawberry bag, or this little like Renaissance pouch bag, this orange one. Or you can even make these like little mini backpacks, and depending on the color you can make it very Renaissance fair-esque, if you know what I mean. And that's all for bags. So let's go into the clothing category. Some of these are not very beginner friendly, some of them are a little more advanced, which is fine. So we have this dragon scale shawl. I don't know if it's a shawl, but there's this like shorter version, and then there's a longer version that's going to take a lot more time. Or you can do this kind of hooded, it's like a corset but also has a hood, or even this little tiny little over shrug thing. This one's more beginner friendly. Or even if you have a lot of time on your hands before this Renaissance fair, you can get into making dresses. Okay, so here's this huntress sweater dress, or this stylish crochet dress that kind of gives Stevie Nicks vibes just a little bit, but I think that's Renaissance fair-y. Or even this corset thingy with kind of steampunk vibes, I guess it would be steampunk vibes, but you can make it more fairy tale-esque. And then there's this free crochet pattern for a really pretty like pink and white shawl. Really pretty. That one's gonna take you a long time though, so definitely get started on it ahead of time. But there's also this cute little scrunched up top, tan top, or this fairy queen coat for a Renaissance fair, or even this skirt, this like star, looks like stars put together, but it gives very like fairy, you know what I mean? And depending on the colors, you can go a lot of ways with it. Or this like underbust corset, or this like, I guess it's not really a shawl, it's kind of like, it has a hood. I guess it's like a jacket with a hood, but it doesn't look like a jacket. It doesn't have sleeves. I don't really know what this is called, but it's really cute. Or you can make this this top that's basically 2 giant squares, and then you let them fall down. If you make bigger squares, you can make this from a tank top into a dress, so that's always an option. Or this like wraparound boho netted kind of wrap. I think it'd be a cute like top layer, especially if like you're wearing like pants, or you know what I mean. I'm trying to relay my vision, okay? It's not coming off right. It's late in the night. Or this pink corset with sleeves, or even this pearl lotus vest, or this really cute top with bell sleeves. That's really cute. It's in like this mermaid blue color, which I love it, but if you wanted to do like a green or a tan or like a cream color, that would also be more Renaissance-y. And keep in mind, guys, I've never been to a Renaissance fair, so I could be really butchering this, but I did have reinforcements help me make this Pinterest board, okay? People who have been, so don't yell at me, okay? I don't leave my house. Okay, moving into the next category is hats / hair accessories. So for this one, I thought this was really cute, but this flower fairy hat, oh my god, it's so freaking cute. Like, okay, if I made that, I'd definitely go to a Ren fair. Actually, I might even wear this. I could be like a mushroom fairy, you know what I mean? Or you can make this dragonfly bandana, or even like this really cute leaf crown, or just like a simple lace headband like this one, like this brown one. Or more lacy green bandanas are really cute. Or this like elf beanie. It's called an elf beanie. I think it's because it's like pointed like that. That's a cute elf beanie. Or you can make this barrette. It's called a forest girl barrette. I think it's kind of cute. So depending on like what kind of Ren fair person you are, I think I'm trying to hit everybody's mark on this video. Whether you're a fairy or someone who wears the armor or just a princess, I don't really know who goes to Ren fairs. Love y'all though. And I want to go to one. I just haven't found one that I don't have to drive hours to. You know what I mean? 'Cause I don't really live in an area that does them frequently. So, and I don't like driving far. So that's all for that category. Into the next category we have accessories. Now, these are really cute and they do give me Tinkerbell vibes, but these leaf gloves, or fingerless gloves, they're more just like wrist covers, but they're so freaking cute. Oh my god, they're so cute. And I just imagine like fairy, you know what I mean? You can also make these cute little mushrooms, or this dragon scale scarf, or even these dragon scale fingerless gloves, which I've actually made these. I made a pair of these for my grandma who really wanted them. Mwah, beautiful, love them, cute. You can see those on my TikTok. This is my TikTok, by the way. Shameless plug. Or you can make this brown corset, or even this like crochet wrap that's kind of like a corset, but kind of also called a wrap, so I don't really know if it's a corset. Or here's another mushroom crochet pattern, or even this pixie belt, which that's really cute. to tie it around like whatever you're wearing, either pants, skirt, whatever. I think it's cute, added layer. And then here's a different kind of mushroom pattern. So we got like 3 different kinds of mushroom patterns. So to fit your needs. Or even this, it's kind of looks more like a utility belt or like a potion belt. This like greenish, bluish one. That's also cute. That's also an option. Oh, my cat's crying. Sorry, I have literally 4 cats and one of them likes to cry in the middle of the night while everybody's sleeping. She cries at the bottom of the stairs and just hopes that I will come pick her up and take her to the top of the stairs, which I always do, which is why I'm out of breath. Last category is the miscellaneous category, so everything that didn't fit in other categories. So we have this woven square, which I'm told is Ren Fair vibes by a source, okay? Don't quote me. Or these little mini dragons, which are super cute, or a bigger dragon, like this green dragon. And that is all 50 crochet ideas for the Ren Fair. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if there's any video ideas that you're waiting for and I haven't done yet, go ahead and comment them down below and I will add them to the never-ending list of crochet idea videos that I need to get through. Just a friendly reminder, everything that I said is listed in the description box in the order that I said it, linked to a written pattern or video pattern for you to find and crochet. Also, if you are a Pinterest user, every photo that you've seen in here is pinned on a Pinterest board in the description box below. You already know me. I'll link everything. Everything's down there. If you have a question, check the description box first. It's probably there. If it's not there, then go into the comment section and let me know, and I will hopefully be able to answer a question or fix the description box or leave a link or whatever needs to be done. Oh, don't forget to go follow me on Instagram, okay? Also, I have 2 Instagrams. A lot of you guys are following my Amazing Page Creations. That one is kind of just specifically tied to my Etsy, so if I post a new pattern or product or something on my Etsy, I post it there. But if you want more of like a personal connection, definitely follow the one that I linked in the description box, which is just the Amazing Page, okay? That one I'm way more active on. That's where I will be doing all of like my Q&A posts, okay? This mushroom cap pattern will be in the description box as well. And the creator didn't reach out to me or anything. I just stumbled across it on my Etsy and made it, so not sponsored. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!